In this tutorial, we are going to learn on how to manage doctor review on RenalGenie. But before that, do not forget to like our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Part 1. Schedule doctor visit on RenalGenie. To schedule a doctor review, be it a PIC or nephrologist review, let's go to the schedule. And then clinical schedule suite. Now, on this page, click on the plus icon to add a new event. On the Add Event window, proceed to select the event type from the drop-down list. User may select either to schedule a quarterly blood test, nephrologist visit, PIC visit, individual lab test or custom event. Let us proceed with scheduling a nephrologist visit. System require the user to specify the doctor name. Enter comment if there is any. Select either the visit is intended for assigned patients only, for all patients or for specific patients. Enter the visit date. And last but not least, user are able to specify the visit time. Untick the default all-day checkbox and user be able to enter the specific time of the visit. Proceed to click Save and the event will be added to the calendar accordingly. Alternatively, user are also be able to see that the added event appear on patient schedule at the day task section on top. We have successfully scheduled a doctor visit on RenalGenie. Part 2. Performing doctor review on RenalGenie. Now, to see this feature, let us log into RenalGenie as a doctor. To perform a doctor review, go to Patient Services page by clicking on this arrow and scroll down to the Doctor's Review section. Alternatively, doctor may also jump to Service page from Patient Schedule. Click on the Perform button to proceed. System will redirect to Patient Profile, where doctor are able to input their notes while reviewing patient information on patient profile. Doctor may also switch from the various tab available on the left side of the screen, while still keeping his or her notes editable. Once done, click on the Save button to proceed. Upon a successful operation, system will prompt a message that doctor review has been created accordingly. And if we revisit the same patient service page, we can see that the nephrologist review status has been performed successfully. Part 3. Omit or confirm doctor review for nursing team. In the event that the doctor's review was not completed on the scheduled day, or the doctor enters his or her review notes directly into the clinical notes page and does not follow the previously described steps, nurses can assist to omit or confirm the doctor's review on RenalGenie. To do so, let's visit the patient service page again. While logging in as a nurse manager or a nurse, user will be able to see there are two options to manage doctor review. Omit or confirm review. Should the review has not been performed by the doctor due to any reason, user may choose to proceed with omit the review. Click Omit to proceed, and system will require user to enter the reason to omit this review. And click Save accordingly. Or if the review has been performed, user may choose to confirm by clicking on the Confirm Review button, and system will update the doctor review status as performed successfully. Thank you for watching. Here is some video suggestion for you to watch next.